Hello, welcome to LEV Toys. We are going to build the Funny Octopus Ride today. I don't know if it's going to be funner actually building it or playing with it. The name itself is hilarious. Well, it's the Funny Octopus Ride. Actually, that's some big shoes to fill up to. Is it going to be funny? Oh, what are these things? Okay, so we got stickers and we've got 3 bags to build. So let's do that. We've got Andrea in this set and she's wearing an outfit that we've seen before, but it is very funky. So I don't mind at all. She looks fantastic in this outfit. So Andrea is ready to head out to the theme park, to the amusement pier, and she's got her sunglasses because it's very bright out there next to the water. And she's also got a ticket so she can get in. Oh, that's good. She must have pre-purchased that. Maybe she pre-purchased on the internet. Maybe it's cheaper if they buy it online. Oh, that's something to remember. Now, she's also got a camera. I'm not certain why, but maybe she's just going to be like taking touristy pictures or something, or mementos for all the girls. So, all right, so Andrea's ready. She isn't alone. There is, she's got her bird. Her bird is going to join her. Hopefully not on the rides, because I don't know if the rides are very safe for animals. But there's also another character to meet in this, and he comes in the second bag, so we'll meet him soon. But let's start building what we've got in the first bag. So, Funny Octopus Ride. Nothing very funny looking at the moment, except for the fact that I can't figure out where these little slopes are supposed to go. I think that's right. Okay, so at the moment, we are building not an octopus. This looks nothing like an octopus at all. But there is a nice little spot here where Andrea's bird... Oh, what is Andrea's bird's name? Pepper. Is it Pepper? Is that right? I can't remember. I think it's Pepper. Tell me in the comments. I'm wrong a lot, so you're welcome to tell me politely in the comments. I don't mind. Okay, we have got, obviously not an octopus. This is going to be the ticket booth, but Andrea's already got her ticket, so she doesn't need to hang out here. There's a little space underneath where she can actually slide, well, the ticket can be slid out to her if she slides the money under. But she didn't bring any money. But she's already got the ticket, so it doesn't matter. So many problems going on here. Now that octopus is actually holding some popcorn. Did you see that in the sticker? We'll have a look later. Let's build whatever this is, which is also not an octopus. Is it an octopus? It's got eyeballs. It's got 2 little eyeballs and it's got a starfish on it. So whatever it has sat still long enough for a starfish to make its home on it. And we've got some little thorns, which could be legs or claws. All of these little cute characters that have all been undersea themed things. It is an octopus with 4 legs. Maybe it's a squid. I don't like the fact that that thing, which is supposed to be an octopus, only has 4 legs. That's not correct. But we will move on. We'll continue on with our building. Okay, so we've got the little ticket kiosk-y thing, and we are now building something with curved sides. We're going to extend it out now. So it's like it's a rounded square. Probably a bit longer than a square. No, it's definitely around a square. And we've got these stickers on all of the little curved slopes, which are they're just pretty there for decoration. They've got little bubbles around the hearts. That's adorable. Okay, let me see. We are putting some blue over here. So we're making it kind of a little pedestal. That's pretty. It's like a little stage. She could use this as a stage for performing. Except she can't, because we're going to be filling it up with a whole heap of other things. It's not a performance stage this time. She's already got enough performance stages. Let's build a Funny Octopus Ride. That's something different, which is really exciting. Okay, so we've got these little pieces sticking out the side with some holes in them, which I think are going to be for adding Technic pieces. And we're just building up here. Got some nice colourful stripes going on. Some circles in the middle. And at the moment it still looks nothing like an octopus ride, but we got to put the foundations down, otherwise we got nothing to actually put things onto. We've got little starfish in the middle, symmetrically, in the middle of each of these little watery rounded quarters of the square. It looks pretty. The colours are so bright and happy. Just makes me happy to build these. More stripes. We've got more little, well, we're adding to the pink stripe. And now we're building up what could be little arms on the side, maybe? I really don't know how this is going to end up. We've got some hooks aiming inwards, inward facing hooks. That's cool. And now we are adding those Technique pieces that I mentioned about into the little holes over here. And these cool bendy things are hollow. I've never used these pieces before. So they're like the hose piece, but bigger and more hollow. And we're going to stick them on like this. And when we put some on the other side, it actually makes it all even out. It makes those Technique pieces there sit straight, and it sits on those little inward facing hooks. What a clever design. That's really cool. All right, so this part here is where we actually attach the kiosk. So it's all just one big attached piece. We're up to bag number 2, which is cool. All right, we've done some really interesting building so far. Let's meet Ethan, who we have met before. There is nothing new here to see about Ethan, except for the fact that he's actually hanging out with Andrea. So Ethan we normally find in sets with Mia, and he has come with some popcorn. So where's the actual popcorn? That's so cute. I'm glad to have some more of these little popcorn pieces. So I don't know quite where he got the popcorn from, probably from the octopus selling it at the kiosk. And Ethan and Andrea are going to get to be the first ones to ride the Funny Octopus Ride, but we're going to get all the friends on all of these amusement pier rides really soon. So let me see what we've got happening here. When we have these big long Technique pieces or these connectors, it means we're going to have some really solid structure going on, because the Technique pieces, have you ever tried to take apart a Technique set? It's really hard. So this is some super duper Lego building. This is super structure building, because we don't want it to fall apart. You do not want amusement park rides to fall apart. That is really dangerous. So also in Lego, we don't want them to fall apart. We don't want the Lego friends to fall out and hit their heads. Unless, of course, they've been doing something silly and then they deserve it. Now, we've got 4 of these. They don't deserve it. They might deserve a little bit. We've got 4 of these little arm pieces, which are wibbly wobbly there. So I've already done 2. Let's speed up the other 2, because you don't need to see me build the same thing 4 times. And they are identical. So 4 identical arms. Oh, so wibbly wobbly. All right, so we've got to build up some more around the inside here. So we've got some little pink squares and a whole heap of pink circles. Oh, actually, no, now these aren't pink. We've got some nice gold rim around the top there. And this goes on our turning circle. Wow, how clever is that? So it actually goes up and around the ribbed blue watery piece, like the hose piece, the hose pipe piece. And because it's actually ribbed, it slows it down a bit, adds a bit of friction. That's so clever. This is such a clever, interesting design to build. Now we got some more. Now we got some cuties to build, because we have to actually build the rides. And the rides are all little animals, sea animals. I'm assuming they're sea animals, because this is like, this is all an under the sea themed park. So this little dude that we are building here, you've probably already guessed what he's going to be, even though we haven't finished up yet. So this is with these little horns here, or thorns. They make a very nice tail piece and some eyeballs. Are these sleepy eyeballs or are they grumpy eyeballs? I'm never quite sure. They can be whatever you want them to be, except for straight, because I can never get them on straight. I might have used my teeth a little bit for that, don't tell anybody. Okay, now we've got some purple fins. That's such a clever use of those little thorn pieces. And one on the top for our for our shark. Wow. Okay, so the first of the rides is a shark, and Andrea is trying it out. That is epic. That's so cute. Now, I'm at the end of bag number 2, and I have these pink pieces left, which should not be left over. So I've just looked back through the instructions, and I've just seen where they belong. So we'll fix this up. They're definitely, sometimes you get you generally get little bits of leftovers at the end of sets. Those are not the sort of pieces that you should have left at the end of each bag. All right, we're up to bag number 3, which means we get to keep going with our octopus, and we get to add some more little cute rides to it. So let's see if we can guess what the next animal's going to be, what the next sea creature is going to be. Now it's green. Oh, it's got little flippers. It's a froggy. I love frogs. I just love frogs. Except I don't think it is a frog. Ah, it's not a frog. It's actually a cute little turtle, which is just as sweet. And this one's got little eyelashes, and this is a sleepy-eyed turtle. It's adorable. And she's so sleepy-eyed, she's been sleeping so much that she's now got a flower growing out of her head. That's how slow-moving this turtle is. The turtles aren't generally that slow. We got some flippers to go on the side. That's adorable. You can actually angle the flippers. And these blue pieces, which I've never used before, create the most perfect little shell on the top. That's so pretty. It's so pretty. Let's put the little seaty part in and let's grab Ethan and he can sit here without his popcorn. We'll put the popcorn down and he can be the first one to ride the turtle ride on the Funny Octopus Ride. the turtle car, the turtle carriage. Look at that, how that all goes around. That just spins so smoothly too. Lego is so clever. Okay, let's see what next little critter, what little creature we've got to build. Don't really have many clues yet, but we've got some more of these cool heart pieces which make, they could make feathers, like they could be feathers or little flippers or fins when you angle them like that. Oh, and we got one of the vibrant orange circles. Vibrant orange, vibrant red, vibrant pink, vibrant something, vibrant coral. Oh, I almost forgot. It was so vibrant that it hurt my brain. And we got a purple shell with some eye shapes that I've never seen before. And they go like this according to the instructions, but you could put them on any angle. How adorable is that? That's so cute. It's a little clamshell. Oh, this is like the safe ride. This is the one you sit on when you want just a little bit more protection around you because it's got a proper nice big back on it. Oh, that's so adorable. I love that purple shell. Have we ever seen a purple shell before? I can't remember. Okay, last little ride to build. Let me see what this one's going to be. We've got a whole load of outward facing studs and we've got two different shades of orange here in these little smoothed over pieces and we're putting some stickers on them with stars and hearts. This is cool. It's entirely different from the others. I have no idea what this cutie's going to be. We have got some claws to go on the front. Actually, once again, I'm just assuming it's the front. When we put this on, we'll figure it out. A big smiley mouth. Oh, it's such a happy ride. Yeah, now that sticker's straight, I'm a bit happier. So we'll put Ethan in the little chair part and let's keep building. We've got some horn pieces out the back, which are going to be making legs, I think. We've got some more of these little stars and heart stickers. More little legs. Is it a spider? Well, there's only 6 legs. So, and we got some paddles with some eyes. I didn't use my teeth to just straighten that up. Hush. So one little eyeball on a stalk. What sea animal has got eyeballs on stalks? It's a crab! It's a hermit crab! Now we can actually change over these eyes because I've got some spare ones. We could like make a combination. We could have one winky one and one open one or a sleepy one. We could do whatever we want, but the hermit crab's so cute. That's really, really cute. I picked the hermit crab. Which carriage would you want to ride in? They're all so adorable. All right, so we've got all the carriages. Now we've just got to make, I have seen no sign of the funny octopus. So this is about to be the funny octopus, and we have got a whole load of Technique pieces here, or a nice big Technique rod in the middle, and this is going to make sure that this is going to be super duper secure. All right, I'm concentrating to make sure I put everything on in the right place here because this is really quite important. It's all quite important, but this one's especially important. So now that we've done that, we can put these big curve. Oh, that doesn't fit. Why does that not reach? Maybe I haven't shoved it in hard enough. Let me just squish it a bit to see what. There we go. Sometimes it just needs a bit of squishing. It obviously wasn't far enough down on that rod. So if we put all these little purple curve pieces, these big curvy panels, we're going to make our funny octopus. Does he look funny yet? He looks really cute. That is so clever. So the black bit on the top, which just came apart, but it's fixed now. The black bit on the top is actually the top hat. And here are his enormous eyeballs. Oh, then we can pop him in here. And you turn him by his tiny black top hat. That is a funny octopus. That's epic. That is such a good ride. It's such a clever build too. These are fantastic. And do you know what? I'm pretty sure that this is the last amusement pier ride that I have to build. I think I've built them all, which means we can get all of them out and put them together and play with them. Oh my goodness, the girls are going to be so excited. I'm so excited. This is so cute. This is really, really cute. It's a lot slower to turn now that we've put the octopus in. but it is, look, we can even make it go backwards, but it's so, so adorable. All right, it is now time to install our Funny Octopus Ride in the amusement pier with all the other sets, and you are going to have to make sure you subscribe and click that notification bell so you do not miss that video or any others. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think of the Funny Octopus Ride. Do you think it's a funny ride? I think it's a funny ride. And I'll see you with a new video very, very soon. Bye!